Hello, champions. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing great. Everybody's doing fantastic. I am CA Darpan Jain, and today we're going to discuss the preparation strategy for your subject BCR and CA Foundation, Business Correspondence and Reporting. Before going into the preparation strategy as such, let us first see the overview of the syllabus that you have. In the syllabus that you have for BCR, there are four parts. The entire syllabus of BCR can be divided into four parts. The part 1 is your chapter 1 communication. Part 2 is your sentence types and word power, which has two chapters, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Chapter 2 is direct indirect speech and active passive voice. Chapter 3 is your vocabulary. Then we come to part 3, which is comprehension and note making, chapter 4 and chapter 5. And then part 4, which is your developing writing skills. You'll be asked to prepare a report, you'll be asked to prepare a letter, you'll be asked to write an email, etc. So these four parts are there broadly in your BCR. Now, if I want to give you the weightage of these four parts based on the past year examinations, your part 1 consists of about 6 marks. Your part 2, which is sentence types and word power, consists of about 9 marks. Your part 3, which is comprehension and note making, is of 10 marks. And part 4, developing writing skills, is for 15 marks. And if you add all of them, you will get to a total of 40. Right? So this is broadly your syllabus of BCR. Now, if I want to tell you the exam paper pattern, what is the exam paper pattern, sir? Paper में क्या क्या आएगा? If you see the past year examination question papers, you will observe that in BCR you will have total 5 questions of 10 marks each. You will have in total 5 questions in your question paper of 10 marks each. Out of these 5 questions, you have to leave one in choice. Correct? Out of these 5, you have to attempt any 4. But the first question which will be given to you, that will be a compulsory question. Right? Out of the rest 4 which are there, you need to choose any 3. But the first question which will be given, that will be a compulsory question. So see, this compulsory question will consist of what? It will consist of 5 marks comprehension passage and 5 marks note making and summary. Which is what? Which is part 3. Your first question, 5 marks will be a comprehension, 5 marks will be a note making and a summary. That is your first question, which is compulsory. Now, out of the remaining 4 questions, you have to answer only 3. That means one question you can leave in choice. Right? In total, again, you came up to 40 marks. Now, these 4 questions which are there, apart from the first question छोड़ दो, अभी तो comprehension and note making था, which is part 3 of your syllabus. Now, these 4 questions which are there apart from that first question, they consist of what? They consist of questions from part 1, which is what? Which is communications chapter. Part 2, which is what? Your vocabulary and types of sentences, direct and indirect speech, active, passive voice. And part 4, which is developing writing skills. They'll be asked to write, you'll be asked to write a letter or an email or a report or an article. Correct? So every question, on the basis of the past year exam questions, every question out of these 4 questions, the first question will be a communication question. ठीक है? आपके part 1 में जो communication chapter है, chapter 1, उससे ही आएगा first question. Then you will be given MCQs relating to synonyms of the word, antonyms of the word, relating to the idioms that you've studied in chapter 3, relating to active passive voice, right? And then part 4, you know, is nothing but writing a letter or writing a report or writing a précis. Correct? Apart from this exam pattern, one important thing I would like to tell you is that before the starting of the paper, your normal timings of the paper is 2 to 5, correct? 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. but you will be given extra 15 minutes in the start to read the question paper. From 1:45 p.m. to 2 p.m. you should reach your center before 1:30 p.m. so that you are in the class at 1:45 p.m. They will give you question paper at 1:45 itself. So 1:45 to 2 p.m. is what is your reading time. In these 15 minutes of reading time, you should decide what questions are you going to answer. That means what question are you leaving in choice. In these 15 minutes that are given to you, this is both for law and BCR, correct? BCR is a part of paper 2. Paper 2 consists of law and BCR both. So in these 15 minutes, you have to decide what question do you want to leave, that you want to leave in choice. ये 15 मिनट में लॉ में डिसाइड कर लो कौन सा क्वेश्चन चॉइस में छोड़ना है. Also decide in BCR what question you want to leave in choice. So utilize these 15 minutes properly and reach the center on time. Your exam is starting from 1:45 and not from 2. 1:45 to 2 is the 15 minutes that are given to you for reading your question paper. All right. Chalo. So a lot of questions ask me this query. A lot of students ask me this query, sir, what should be the knowledge base? What all things should I refer for BCR? The first thing, that is the Bible for you, that is the Bhagavad Gita for you, that is the Quran for you, is your ICI material. You can't do away with ICI material. You definitely have to read your ICI material thoroughly. Secondly, the summary notes that you've prepared, the class notes that you've prepared while watching the classes, those notes are definitely helpful. Thirdly, revision test papers, mock test papers, and your past exam question papers. These are also very important. In order to practice more and more, what do you have to do? Go to your RTPs, go to your MTPs, go to your past exam question papers. Now, to make your job easy, what I have done is made a compiler for you. I've made a compiler of all the questions that were there in previous year MTPs, previous year RTPs, and your past exam questions. That compiler of questions and answers I am attaching in the description box below. So you can take the help of that compiler and read from that compiler, because that compiler is a chapter wise compiler. So chapter wise आपको एक ही जगह एक ही chapter के सारे questions सारे answers मिल जाएंगे. It will be very helpful to you. Correct? So see that compiler and you can make the best use of it. Alright, so this is about the knowledge base. What all things should I refer in order to read BCR thoroughly? Let me give you some tips. First tip that I can give you is no selective studying at all. I have given you weightage. I told you कि chapter 1 इतना weightage है, part 2 इतना weightage है, part 3 इतना weightage है. But does that mean that you have to do selective study? Not at all. Selective study in CA exams will not help you at all. Second, from the first chapter only there will be theory questions in BCR. They have never asked a theory question from any other chapter. There will be theory, right? There is theory relating to article writing. There is theory relating to report writing. There is theory relating to comprehension, note making. But is that important? No, it is not at all important. Theory questions will only be asked from chapter 1, from your communication chapter. Coming to chapter 2. Chapter 2 में क्या है? Active passive voice, direct and indirect speech. These are the only two things which are important. What you should do in this chapter, read the rules thoroughly first. What are the rules for converting active into passive? What are the rules for converting from direct to indirect? Read the rules thoroughly first. And then practice as many questions as you can. Again here, what do you have to practice? Practice your ICI material first. Afterwards, you can take the help of the compiler that I'm giving to you. Go in that description box, see that compiler. There will be a lot of questions for you, a lot of practice questions for you, right? So read the rules first thoroughly as to what are the rules for converting from direct to indirect, active to passive, and then practice as many questions as you can. Coming to chapter 3, vocabulary. Here, a lot of students face a problem. They're like, sir, we don't know so many tough words in English. हम English तो बस पास होने के लिए पढ़ते थे. We never concentrated on learning new words. But here you don't have an option because it is an important chapter. Every question of BCR will have questions from vocabulary. So you cannot avoid vocabulary at all. What do you have to concentrate in vocabulary? There are only 3 type of questions that they can ask: synonyms, antonyms, and your idioms. Synonyms, antonyms, and idioms. Synonyms also cover meaning of the words. So synonyms are meaning of the words. Antonyms and idioms. What you have to do? Read all the words which are given in ICI material first. ठीक है, वो सारे हो गए, वो सारे आपने पढ़ लिए. तो RTPs, MTPs मेरे compiler से पढ़ो. Read that, read all the words which are there in my compiler, right? A lot of questions ask me this also, sir, how do we remember so many words? There are a lot of ways to remember it. One is frequent revision. बार बार देखो वो words को, बार बार जाओ वो words के पास. Second is record in your own voice. अभी तो अपने पास टेक्नोलॉजी है, यूज दैट टेक्नोलॉजी. Everybody has a mobile phone, everybody has a voice recorder in that mobile phone. Record those words in your own voice and their meanings, words and their antonyms, idioms and their meanings. Record that in your own voice and listen to it while you're eating food or while you're playing or while you're bored. Or else you can also do one more thing to remember. Read all the words and then go to your mom or go to your sister or to your brother and tell them to test you. Tell them to, ask a word and you will tell them the meaning of the word or antonym of the word. So like that also you can test yourself. So there are a lot of ways in which you can learn these words. Do whatever is suitable for you. So that's about chapter 3. What about the rest of the chapters like comprehension, note making, summary, article writing, report writing, précis, letters, emails, meetings? All these chapters which are there, what is the most important thing in these chapters? Your formats. You should know the format. What is the format of a note making? What is the format of a letter or an email? Remember that format. There will be marks, there will be weightage given to you in the paper for correct format, right? So remember your formats thoroughly and then practice exercises from ICI. Do it, write it down. Don't just read it. Thode questions to practice karo from each chapter. Then only you will get that confidence, okay, I can write. Correct? Apart from these, in these chapters, what is needed more is correct punctuation, correct spellings, and correct grammar. Because mostly you will be writing these in your own words. Article writing, report writing, ऐसा थोड़ी है जो टॉपिक आप पढ़ रहे हो वही टॉपिक आएगा. नहीं, they can give you any topic under the sun and you will have to write answers on it. So when you're writing in your own words, what mostly people do is use grammatically incorrect sentences. They make spelling mistakes. They make punctuation mistakes. Do not do that. Right? Concentrate on your punctuations, on your grammar, on your spellings. And lastly, write your mock tests. Top Yug Educations is also conducting mock tests. To know more, you can join the Telegram group, the link for which I'm putting in the description box. Write mock tests. Write tests, then only you will know. Now you must be wondering, sir, what is the importance of mock tests? This I've already covered in my last video when I've told you about the preparation strategy of economics and BCK. The same pointers will also come here, right? When you're writing a mock test, it gives you an experience of writing an actual exam. You can analyze your strengths and weaknesses. The most important point is time management. You will come to know how to manage your time. Correct? It is a time based test. ऐसा थोड़ी है आपको 5 घंटे दे रहे हैं पूरा एग्जाम लिखने. नहीं. Both law and BCR you'll have to complete in 3 hours. And according to me, you should complete BCR or you should give BCR at least 75 minutes. not more than 75 minutes also. You should try to restrict your BCR paper and try to complete it within 1 hour 15 minutes. All right. So how will you get to this? How will you know whether you can complete that in 1 hour 15 minutes or not? You can know that only by writing a mock test. So write mock tests. Take a full question paper. We are conducting mock tests. You can take question papers from us and you can write those mock tests to know as to how should you manage your time. Comprehension को कितना time लगेगा, note making and summary को कितना time लगेगा, you will come to know when you write a mock test. Right? That builds your confidence also. And then it also gives you a proper plan of what to do one day before the exam. Because we are also conducting mock tests in the manner in which your actual exam would be conducted. We are also giving 1 day breaks in between the mock tests. Accounts paper होगा, एक दिन break रहेगा, law रहेगा, एक दिन break रहेगा, maths रहेगा. So you will know how to complete the entire portion in 1 day, how to study the entire portion in 1 day. Correct? So with this, I take your leave by telling you all the best for your examinations, all the best for your preparations. For anything, for any query, you can you can send us a message, you can call us, or you can telegram us. Thank you and all the very best. Bye.